Hey Divas, what's up? It's your girl Diva and welcome back to the House of Glam TV. So I know it's been a while, but you getting a 2-for-1 today. So it's either before this or after this. Check out my hair video where I talk about Lee Moda hair and bling hair for closures. But first we're going to dive into what I got during Amazon Prime Day. So stay tuned. You don't want to miss this. So I'm back. So yes, if you missed out, I'm so sorry you guys missed out, but Amazon Prime Day was the 15th and the 16th. It was the biggest day for deals on Amazon Prime Day. Now to compete, a lot of the stores had their own version of Prime Day where everything on their sites were 50% off. I work for one of the big companies, Old Navy, which is a part of Gap Inc. We had our own Prime Day specials where the whole site was 50% off. Now, a lot of stores were doing this to compete because Amazon was doing everything from electronics to clothing to just household items for just basically 50% off. So I'm going to share with you guys what I got for Prime Day because I ordered my stuff on a Monday, and of course, because I have Prime, I get 2-day shipping. This stuff was actually supposed to be here today, which is Thursday, but it came a day early, so I'm super psyched. Now, all of this was delivered to me via UPS. Sometimes your Prime will come delivered either UPS, United States Postal Service. By the way, they suck because they lost my crayon case order, and I really wanted to share that with you guys. But let's see if they rectify the situation and I get a new shipment from the crayon case. Or it'll be delivered from a Amazon fulfillment center, or just a regular person like you and me who want to make some extra coin. You can actually work and do delivery as a part-time seasonal person, so check that out if you're interested. So I got the Fire Stick and the Amazon Echo Show 5. So let's dive in. So this item was $14.99, and some of you may or may not be strangers to the Amazon Fire TV Fire Stick. This is my first one, and I got it because the TV in here does not have a box. I don't have cable in this room. As a matter of fact, this TV wasn't even in this room at one point. But earlier this year, it ended up in this room, and we have our 65-inch curved TV is downstairs. So I got this because my mom stays here sometimes when she comes to visit. So she stays here in this room when it's not a hot mess full of makeup and everything else. Well, the makeup is always here, but this converts to a bed, if y'all didn't know. So she doesn't get to watch TV when she's in here, so this is one of the reasons why I bought it. Now, I hounded my brother to find out what I can do with it because he has one, and he says he mirrors what he watches on his phone to the TV, which is really cool. So I thought that would be perfect when I am in this room and I want to watch TV, or I can watch YouTube videos from here. I did get a $45 credit from Sling to use with this, so I can activate that and watch regular TV in here also. I think it's like a 30-day trial. Oh, it's just a 45-day. I don't know how much the credit goes for, but whatever. We're going to rock with it and see. So, of course, in here has all the pieces. It came with a little booklet. It actually came with 2 batteries, which I was really happy about, and all the pieces that I'm going to need to hook it up. So, this is, it has the Alexa voice remote, which is this. The Fire Stick, which I thought it was smaller than this, but there's that. The plug adapter. And of course, like I said, it has 2 batteries, and it came with an extra HDMI adapter to plug into my TV in case this doesn't fit or I need the extra boost because of Wi-Fi, which in this room is not that great. Funny enough, because it's the room closest to the stairs that goes down TV, closest to the TV. So I don't know. But then I got this, and like I said, it was $14.99. So let's jump over to the Echo Show. Now, this is the 5th generation of this, and this is actually the smallest they've put out in the whole series. Now, the first generation, I believe it's the first and second generation of it, The screen was about 7.5 inches, but the speaker was at the bottom, but it was still a lot bigger than this. The one before this, which I believe, I guess, is generation 3 and 4. This is all screen, but it looks exactly like this, but bigger. I think the screen was probably about a 10-inch or 9.5-inch screen. I'm not sure. That one was the one I wanted before, but it was like $229. When I saw this came out, I want to say last month, I got really excited. So the price tag on this one is $89.99. But for Prime Day, I got this for $49.99. It does come in 2 colors, black and sandstone, which the sandstone is what would be considered white. I got the sandstone because, you know, I thought the white would be really cute. Don't know what I was thinking because, you know, my makeup, if I touch, everything is like all over the place. So this is what it looks like. And I am no stranger to anything with Alexa on it. I have 2 Echo Dots in my house. The Ring doorbell, because my door doesn't have a peephole. And it's all connected. And I have 2 smart plugs that I use in my house to control the lights in my daughter's room and the one downstairs. So I got this because I thought it would be really cute, and I may even get another one later on if it goes on sale again, because I kind of want one for the kitchen. But I got this for my night table so I can see basically from the door who's at the door here. I'm hoping the response time is quicker than my phone. Although my husband's phone has a pretty quick response time to the doorbell, my phone lags with it. I don't know why, but I do need to upgrade my phone anyway. If you know somebody with an Echo, another Echo Show or the Echo Spot, you could talk to them through this. I don't know if it works with any other apps like WhatsApp or whatever the case may be. I'd have to give it a try and see, because otherwise I would call my mom while I'm on here. So I did get that, and it lets you do some other things. Like you can view pretty much, you can stream your music through here. So Prime Music, Apple Music, could watch TV, different stuff like that. So Spotify, Audible, read books through here if you have books from your Prime. Audible, if you have that membership, you could just about do it all on here. So I can't wait to play with this. So it does come with a built-in camera cover, audio line in and out, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Alexa of course, but it does come with just the plug, and the show is in here. So it's really simple. So I can't wait to hook it up. If you already have the app, you just hook up everything through it. At the bottom it has this groove, if you guys can see it. They do sell a stand that you can put it on, and that's like $19.99 on Amazon. So that's everything I got for Prime. Alright, let's wrap it up. So let's wrap this up. So like I said, Prime Day was the 15th and the 16th. If you missed out, definitely think about signing up. You can sign up for Amazon Prime and get a 30-day free trial of Prime, where you will get all of your packages in 2 days. Amazon has so much to order now. I believe you can order groceries and get that in like 2 hours, I think. It comes from like Whole Foods. Of course, if you need to order things like this, the Ring doorbell, things like that, again, you can get in 2 days. You can get about just about anything on Amazon. I love Prime. I love the fact that I can get my items in 2 days, sometimes in 1 day. Sometimes a 1-day shipping though can turn into 2, just depends on when the seller sends it out and where it's coming from. But definitely 2 days is bomb. I've ordered charms, I've ordered beads, I've ordered quite a few things from that I have in the house. My ring light I got on Amazon. The my wig stand, everything, Amazon. Got it in 2 days. So definitely check out Prime. You can sign up for a 30-day free trial. The membership, you can either pay for the whole year, and I believe it's like $100 or a little bit over $100, or you can pay $12.99 a month and just go that way. And that's what I do, is $12.99 a month. I ain't got money to shut out for the whole year, which probably would make more sense maybe next year tax time I'll just shell out for the whole year and not have to pay everything monthly. So that's the best way to do it. If you are new to the House of Glam TV, thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you have any questions about anything I showed you guys today in today's video, whether it's my show or the Fire Stick, comment down below and give me a few days to play with this stuff and I'll let you know how it works. If you guys want to know about any of my other products that I've gotten from Amazon, whether it's my Ring doorbell, my Echo Dots, or the smart plugs, comment down below and I'll let you know how that stuff works, and I'll come back in another video and talk electronics with you guys. Your girl loves electronics. That's another thing you didn't know about Diva. Y'all just thought I love makeup and fashion? No, I am definitely an electronics junkie. So stay tuned for all of that. To my ultimate goodie dolls, thank you guys so much for rocking with me. You guys are absolutely thebomb.com. Stay tuned because I have another video up. It's either going to be before this one or after this one, but y'all go check out that video. It's of my hair that I ordered from Limota Hair and Bling Hair, and that was the closure that I ordered. And I have a funny story about that, but you guys you won't see it in the video. So baby girl actually cut up that closure. I don't know what was on her mind. She thought she'd sneak in here and grab my stuff, and she cut up the closure. So I actually had to order a new one, but in that video I will show you the original one before she cut it up. Thank the good Lord I made the video before she did it. And I didn't find out till I didn't find her till later on that the closure wasn't in here. Had plans of already doing the wig, and yeah, she botched the whole thing up for me. 5-year-olds, I don't know what's for a problem. But anyway guys, that's all I have for you guys this week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Y'all won't miss out nothing here at the House of Glam TV. If you guys want to know more about my jewelry, check out the description box. I'll have the link to House of Glam TV, which is my new Facebook page. Go check that out, of course, for everything glam here at the House of Glam. Till the next time, my fabulous dolls, y'all know what to do. Y'all stay fab, because you know your girl is too. I see y'all in my next one. Bye.